Balik mo naman eh. Bradford, giving to Dimitri, Inicia bola, giving to Dinola, Santos, giving to Uraga, Uraga firing three, no good. Rebound. Short giving Denyola, Rapas to Santos giving to Uraga ball two, no good. Uy, wala.
Kanina yun.
Nahanap ng Piscartos sa gitna with the floater, no good. Rebound by Paner with the pick. Uy, may kasama pang foul. Paner, first shot, no good. Ibarra, Rapas, nakuha ni Dimitri Kakayo. Still by Dimitri. Nabitawan, nakuha ulit ni Dimitri. Dimitri, pinay pa, hinalo pa. 2 points for Dimitri. Kabutotan, di diskarte, hawak ang bola. Giving to Dimitri. Dimitri giving to Baluyot. Baluyot naghahanap. 10 second shot lang. 9, 8, 7, 6, 2 points for Dimitri. Santos, giving to Denyola, hawak ang bola, umayot sa babaw, with the reverse, no good. The rebound by Dimitri, ay Baluyot, bullet pass to Panel, no good. The rebound by Dizon, giving to Dimitri, with a 2 points again for Dimitri. Baluyot. Dimitri firing 3 points for Dimitri. Triple shot. Uy, Dimitri kumain sa gitna sa floater. 2 points again for Dimitri. Balik sa tatlo ang kalamangan. Uraga back to Dimitri, back to Uraga with the 2, no good. Rebound by Santos to Dizon, no good again. Rebound again by Santos, ay Dizon, giving to Dimitri, still by Ibarra, giving to Baluyot, Dimitri, giving to Baluyot firing 3. So, Dimitri, Kumayot team, uy, kasama foul. 16 seconds to shoot. Santos firing 3, no good. Rebound by Paner, giving to Kabutotan, kakayot na rin. Uy, lumipad pa. Ngunit subalit nakuha ni Denyola, kumayot din, lumipad pa. No good. Rebound by Paner, still by Denyola tumira din. Pasok ang 2 ni Denyola. Para hawak ang bola, naghahanap ng pagpapasahan. Giving to Paner, 10 seconds shot lang. Block by Denyola, still by Dimitri kumain din with the floater, no good. Giving to Dimitri with the floater, no good again. Rebound by nakakuha ni Uraga, bullet pass. Seconds to shoot. Give it to Dimitri. Uy, natapit, nagkagawa. Nakakuha po ng tatlo. Easy, Ea, Paul, Baluyot. Ng tatlo. Dimitri, hawak ang bola. Pumayot sa gitna. Rapas to Santos with the pick, with the reverse. No good. The rebound by Paner, giving to Baluyot. Baluyot in the 1v1 situation. The floater again. Ang kalamangan ng red team. Dimitri giving to Uraga firing long 2 points again for Uraga. Dimitri giving to Acosta with the pick with the 2 points for Acosta. Hawak ang bola, giving to Ibarra firing long 3 points for Dimitri, giving to Uraga with the pick with the 2, no good. Rebound by Yumul giving to Paner, ay Kabutotan, Kabutotan, kumayot na. 2 points for Kabutotan. Exactly 2 minutes to play. Uraga, ito ang Oscar with the break. May foul tayo dyan. Lemon shot for ang Oscar. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 2 points for Baluyo. Wow. Giniki with a spin. Tabre.
Meron ka dyan. Uy, ano yan? Eh, ang liit.
1 minute and 23
Yun, subukan tayo, mama.
Uy.
Diba ka dyan?
Giniki, hawak ang bola. Kumayod, firing, long to steal by Ibarra. Ako ang lumol na ako. Wala. Exactly 1 minute to play. 59, 58, 51, 50 seconds, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44. 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 29, 48, 47, 46. Seven, 3, 32, 31, 30 seconds, 29, 28, 27, 26, 3 seconds violation. Ako, sige, 37, 36, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20 seconds, 10 seconds at lang, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2 points for Baluyo, ay, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 seconds. 2, 1. Ginitri, hawak ang bola. Rathas, rebound by Ginitri. Ginitri, pumayag na. Trapas to Denyola. Denyola with a fadeaway shot. 2 points for Denyola. Baluyo, ay Ginitri, Ibarra with a make. Ibarra. Ginitri, looking for 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7. Reset shot clock. Rebound by Calma. Calma firing 3. No good. Rebound by Denyola. Denyola giving to Uraga. Uraga with a 2. Block by Calma. Nakakuha ni Ibarra. Ibarra giving to Ibarra again. Giving to Denyola. Firing long 2. No good. Rebound by Calma. Calma giving to Ginitri. Penetrate in the middle with the floater. No good. Rebound by Acosta. Giving to Ginitri. Kakalit na rin. Kung matawan, may kasama bang foul. Ginitri giving to Ibarra. Ibarra with the play. Ibarra with the side step. May kasama bang foul. No good. Rebound by Diaz. Diaz. Awak bola. Giving to Acosta. Acosta to Diaz. Diaz to Uraga. Uraga firing 3. No good. Rebound by Yonol. Giving to Ginitri. Ginitri awak ang bola. Pintis Carter. Giving to Ibarra. Ibarra firing 3. Short. Rebound by Santos. Santos. Guna naman at yung ipad. 2 points time out. Ngaman. Baluyo. Giving to Ginitri. Ginitri with the face. Ginitri. Giving to Ibarra. Ibarra with the 2. No good. Rebound by Acosta. Acosta giving to Ginitri. Ginitri kakayot din. Trapas to Uraga. Giving 2, Dimitri again. Dimitri kumayod. Trapasto Ibarra with the rebound by Tanero. Giving to Dimitri. Dimitri to Ibarra. Ibarra with the 2 points again for Ibarra. Santos, give it to Dimitri. Dimitri, give it to Santos. 10 seconds shot lang. 9, 8, 7, 8, 5. No good. Rebound by Dimitri. Dimitri, 2. Baluyot. Baluyot with the 2. No good. Rebound by Dinola. Santos. Santos, kahayot din lumipad. Ratak to Diaz. Nabitawan. Good. Diaz, tumatawan. Ratak to Santos. Santos with the 2 points again. To Baluyot again. Baluyot penetrate. Give it to Calma. Calma, no good. Rebound by Ibarra. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Dinola. Dinola, takbo na naman. Nagkakayo. Uy, nabagkuhanan. Lumipad ba? No good. Di pumasok. Calma. Giving to Kawala. Nakuha ni Dinola. Oh. Uy, kumayot din. Oraga with the 2. No good. Rebound by pagalya muna, Ben. Dimitri kakayot din. Kumatawan. Dimitri kumayot din with the 2. No good. Rebound by rebound again by Dimitri. Dimitri kinuha ni Ibarra. Tinira. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Dimitri. Dimitri, kakayod na naman, lumipad, nabitawan, nakakuha ni Baluyot. Baluyot, kakayod na rin. Baluyot kay Ibarra. Ibarra. Uraga, firing 3. Yes, sir. Bilangyan, anang matan. Baluyot, attempting, giving to Bayanet. Ay, kabutotan, to Dimitri, Dimitri to Baluyot, 10 seconds shot lang. Rebound by Kabutotan, no good. Rebound by Ibarra, no good. Nakuha na ni Daniola. Tatakbo na naman. Ang bilis. Lumipad pa ako. Nabitawan. Rebound by Dimitri. Dimitri. Nakalakas. Nakuha ni Ibarra. Wala na po. Sarap. Victor Raga firing 3. No good. Rebound. Ito Kabutotan. Kabutotan to Baluyot. Baluyot. Black by Mr. Luwana. Foul lagi. Rebound by Dimitri. Nakagawa. Nakakuha ni Baluyot. Baluyot. Nakuha ulit ni Dimitri. Dimitri kumayad na naman. Trapas to Santos. Santos giving to Dison. Dison kumatawan. Rebound by Time out.
Salamat sa panunood, naway pagpalain kayo ng poong may kapal at huwag kalimutan pindutin ang subscribe button at mag-share at like, alright?